And I just thought I'd insert a piece here. I'm going to publish this as I follow all of this traffic here. Trip has been amazing, eventful, epic, and I'm only into my third week. But I've made some mistakes. I lost some footage. I don't think that was on me. I don't know what I did, if I did something, but I just want to blame it on the ghost in the machine, I guess. But I lost some footage, and then magically some of it reappeared. So I'm pretty certain I'm going to start with day 10 and just do 10, 11, 12, start posting that stuff as quick as I can get it out this coming week, whilst having a bit of a rest up at John's. So thank you all for bearing with me.